Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable or disable use a different keyboard input method for each app window. So this is going to be easy simple tutorial for you. So to enable or disable it, first you just have to go to start menu and open settings option here. After opening the settings option, you just have to go to the devices option here. Then in the left here you have to choose the typing option here, and you have to scroll down and you have to choose the advanced keyboard settings. After opening the advanced keyboard settings, you can see there's an option called let me use a different input method for each app window. So if you check it, so mark check it here, so that means the system is enabled now. So let me use a different input method is now enabled, or if you want to disable it, you just have to uncheck here and it will disable. So check here and uncheck here, it will disable. So you just don't need to save or anything, you can just close out of here. So that's it. This is a very easy and simple tutorial. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.